guys, and welcome back to RGTV. Today we're going to do pineapple jam. I know there's a lot of YouTubers who have done this, and I've been wanting to try it, and I thought, well, why not bring you along with me? So we're going to start out with a 20-ounce can of pineapple and its juice, crushed pineapple. And what we're going to do is we're going to add enough water to bring it to 3 1/4 cup, okay? And this is going to make about 4 half pints. We're going to add, it's 6 tablespoons for 1 box of pectin. And we're just going to sprinkle that over the top. And one more here. We're going to bring this up to a boil. And we're actually almost there, so we're just going to combine and stir this around. So we want it at a full rolling boil. And I don't know, I think I said it makes 4 half pints. So you can double this. Okay, once it comes up, I'm gonna bring you guys back. Okay, so we're at a full rolling boil, and you know that when you stir it and it continues to boil. We're gonna add in 3 cups of sugar. And we're gonna combine that. And we're going to allow this to come back up to a rolling boil, and we're going to boil it for 1 minute. Okay, I'll bring you back. Okay, so you can see it is starting to come up to a boil. On my stove, in my other pot, I have my jars sterilizing. Kind of want to make sure at this point that you continuously stir so that nothing sticks. Basically, we are at a rolling boil, so we're going to time this for 1 minute. You can see how it's kind of getting frothy at the top. You can go ahead and add some butter if you want at this point, just half a pat or so, and that will actually get rid of that. So I'm going to turn this down. We're done here. I'm going to turn it off, and then I'm just going to let it cool for a bit, and we're going to come back over to the counter and we're going to can it up. Okay, so now we're ready to fill our jars, and I have 3 jars ready to go. We're just going to funnel this in. And we're going to fill it up to 1/4 inch from the top. In the meantime, we're going to make sure that our water is still simmering. Okay, so now we're just gonna wipe our rims with vinegar. Very hot. We're going to attach our lid. And our ring, we're going to place these in our water bath canner for 5 minutes. Okay, and I'll bring you guys back. Our timer has gone off, and now we are going to let this calm down for about 10 minutes before we take the lid off. You don't want to pull these jars straight out of boiling water. You will have a lot of siphoning, and it will run down the side, potentially. So it's just best to let it acclimate a bit before we actually pull the jars out. So I'll see you back here in about 10 minutes. Okay guys, now I've just taken off the lid and let it sit for another 5 minutes. And we're gonna go ahead and pull these out and I'll show you what they look like. Okay guys, so they processed for 5 minutes and here they are out of the canner. I tried this and it was absolutely delicious. It was exactly what I thought it would be. So I'm very excited about that. I think the original recipe came from Noreen's Kitchen, so go check that out. I know the Needy Homesteader also did this as well, so definitely go check out those channels, guys. If you try it, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite jam is. I don't do a lot, so I'd like some ideas, and we can make them up. Anyway, guys, again, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.